Hello everyone, I'm Fiona from HAIZOL. It's a pleasure to interview Maturin come here to take our interview. Maturin, say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone. So my name is Maturin. I'm from the company Index. Index is a German company, and I am responsible for sales in Asia.
Can you talk more about Index to introduce more about your field or your machine?
Yeah. So as I told before, we are a German company. We are mainly located in Germany. We've three facilities. We are in South Germany, close to Stuttgart. We are located in Essling directly. And Index is a producer of turning machines, and in combination with milling operations, so with from turning and milling machines. Index is a very traditional company. We are existing more than 100 years. And Index is a group together with the company Traub. And together with Traub, we have a history more than 175 years. So that means we are one of the first turning machine suppliers all over the world.
Yeah, I know in Germany there's a lot of company developed more than 100 years, but it's seldom in China. What's the difference?
Yeah, I think the difference is these companies from Germany with this long history, they gained a lot of experiences in the last decades, and now our main target is to transfer our cutting experiences also to China. And I think this is one main reason why German historical companies are so successful in especially the Chinese markets.
Why Index come here attend this exhibition?
Yeah, so this exhibition gives us the chance to show our high technology machines. So it shows, it gives us the chance to show the machines very much in detail, so we can show the machines in cutting, so the customer, they have the chance to see the machines in action. That means the customers are not easy to explain. Yeah. Therefore, such an exhibition is the best platform to explain what the machine can do directly on the machine.
How do you think about Chinese market? It's bigger or it's increase or it's decrease?
Yeah, of course, the Chinese market itself, it's getting bigger and bigger, and it's getting more and more potential also for German companies with such complex machines to produce more complex parts. I think also this field of complex parts, it's getting bigger. Yeah, that means the Chinese market, they need the chance, they need some base to produce such very complex parts. And in this field, the German suppliers, I think, has a very good position in the market.
How do you think about the Chinese customer? Do you think it's more professional here, or what's the difference before and now?
Yeah, I think it depends about which industry we are talking. Of course, in industries like the automotive industry, the companies are very experienced, so very professional. They have to be very professional to realize these very tough processes. Yeah, because the workpieces are very tough workpieces with very tough tolerances and with high quantities. So that means to handle such complex workpieces, you need a base of specific know-how. And of course, I can see this know-how even in China, and it's getting higher and higher, of course.
If the Chinese market is your main market in the world?
China is one of the main markets in the world.
Okay, I know this machine is your favorite, and you want to take a video here, and can you introduce the machine to us?
Yep. So this machine is one type of turning machines which Index is producing in Germany. So the main point of this machine is we are not working with one spindle, we are working with, in this version, with 6 spindles. That means we have 6 separate spindles to machine workpieces. In every spindle we have a specific Z-axis positioning possibility, All of them are motor spindles. So that means I have a much higher productivity on this machine than on a standard turning single spindle machine, for example. So this machine, especially in a field like the automotive industry, gives us the chance to handle very high quantities with a very high complexity.
This is the difference this machine and the other machine. Anything else?
So I could give you a more detailed idea about this machine. So this version of this index machine is our MS16 model. On this MS16 model we have again six spindles. For each spindle position we can have two tools simultaneously in cut. So that means if we are focusing to the machine, we can have a very high number of tools, a very high number of tool capacity. So we can reach a high flexibility on this machine. And especially this version, we have the opportunity, we have on one slide the possibility of X and Z axis positioning. And the second slide, we can positioning in X axis or we can adjust to Z axis positioning. So that means we can optimize the machining process in its best way on such a multi-spindle machine of index.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.